I was not asked even for a minute
So,
na
Mr.
tumulong and for what a particular purpose. Then I will now make this promise. I will start a fund sa protection ng mga pulis. I'm putting up 1 million. Paghahanap ako, meron akong 1 million. Hindi ako kung meron million lang, magbubula ako, sabihin ko wala.
Mr. Chairman.
I'll start.
Yeah.
But I'll raise a fund para tulungan yung mga pulis.
Mr. President.
And I will personally appear in court. Ako mismo ang
Mr.
mag-defense counsel nila.
Mr. Chairman, Mr. President, 2 days ago you have mentioned that wala po kayong pamasahe papunta po dito. And I'm pretty shocked that you have 1 million in your account to help our policemen. And we salute you, Mr. President, for that and for being honest that you will be.
That 1 million is for my.
Wait po, Mr. President. Mr. President, I still have the floor, Mr. President. Excuse me.
For my
As much-
medicine and subsistence.
No, suspended tayo, suspended.